So today let's prepare Goan Chicken Vindaloo. I've taken 1 kg of chicken here. To make the masala, you need cumin seeds, cinnamon stick, black peppercorns, cloves, dried Kashmiri red chilies, garlic, ginger, turmeric powder, salt, and Goan toddy vinegar or white vinegar. So add all the ingredients into a mixer jar and grind it into a fine paste using the vinegar. Now I add salt to the chicken pieces along with the vindaloo masala. Mix well and marinate for 40 to 60 minutes. Heat oil in a deep bottom vessel. Then add your chopped onion and saute till the onion is light brown in color. Then add the marinated chicken pieces along with the residual water. Cover the lid and cook for around 15 minutes. Once the chicken is almost cooked, check for taste, add salt and sugar and mix well. Cook this for more 5 to 10 minutes and then take it off the heat. You can serve this with prawns or peas pulao.